Have you ever wondered why obesity is a growing concern worldwide? Obesity, once considered a problem of high-income countries, is now on the rise in low- and middle-income nations too. It's not just adults who are tipping the scales. Children are increasingly joining the ranks. The World Health Organization reports a staggering 2.8 million deaths annually as a result of being overweight or obese. That's nearly the entire population of Jamaica succumbing to obesity-related health issues every year. Obesity doesn't discriminate based on age or geography. It's a silent epidemic creeping into our lives, affecting our children, our communities, and our world. It's a challenge that the pharmaceutical industry is fervently trying to address. But while they race to concoct the next magic pill, we must remember that the power to control this epidemic isn't just in their hands. The pharmaceutical industry may be racing for a solution, but the key to this epidemic lies in our hands. Did you know it's never too late to start exercising? It's an age-old adage that rings true even today. Exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight and promoting overall well-being. It's more than just breaking a sweat, it's about paving the way to a healthier lifestyle. Before you strap on those running shoes, though, it's vital to seek medical clearance. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider to identify any potential health risks or limitations that could impact your ability to exercise. Additionally, consider engaging a certified personal trainer. They can provide valuable insights on proper form, reducing the risk of injury, and tailoring routines to fit your specific needs and conditions. Setting realistic and meaningful exercise goals is another essential step in this journey. Whether it's losing weight, gaining strength, or just staying active, having clear objectives can help you stay motivated and track your progress effectively. Remember, the journey to better health begins with a single step. But how do you make exercise an integral part of your lifestyle, you might ask? Well, let's equate it to other significant commitments in your life. Just as you wouldn't miss a business meeting or a doctor's appointment, consider exercise in the same light. It's a meeting with yourself, a pact for better health. One approach to ensure you don't miss your workout is to schedule it first thing in the morning. As the day unfolds, it's easy to get caught up in various tasks and responsibilities, leading to your workout being pushed to the side. However, by placing it at the top of your to-do list, you start your day on a positive note. And no matter how busy your day gets, you've already accomplished your workout. Remember, the goal is not just to start exercising, but to keep at it. Just like any other skill, consistency is what brings about change. As with any commitment, consistency is key. Make exercise a priority and watch your health transform.